The much awaited Bharat NCAP or Bharat New Car Assessment Program has finally been launched. The system will test and score cars and give them a safety rating for you to choose your car in a much better way. Let's take a look at all the details. This is indeed a monumental move for improvement of road safety in our country, where 1.5 lakh people lose their lives in road accidents each year. Bharat NCAP will become operational from October 1, 2023 onwards, and as of now, the tests will be voluntary, but we do hope they become mandatory in times to come. To get their vehicles tested, manufacturers will have to nominate a model, after which Bharat NCAP representatives will visit the manufacturing facility or dealer outlet of the manufacturer to select the base variant of the model through random sampling. According to the government, the cost of getting cars crash tested in India will be much lesser when compared to other markets.
The cost of testing from abroad, it is 2.5 crore, and in India, Bharat NCAP, it comes to 60 lakhs. So there can be a good market for institute.
Tested vehicles will be awarded ratings between 1 and a maximum of 5 stars. All vehicles will be judged on 3 parameters: adult occupant protection, child occupant protection, and fitment of safety assist technologies. The crash test will include a frontal impact test done at a speed of 64 km per hour, a side impact test at 50 km per hour, and a pole side impact test, which will be compulsory for vehicles to achieve a rating of 3 stars and above. According to the government, more than 30 cars are already lined up for crash testing under the norms of Bharat NCAP. That's a big number to begin with, and leading car makers like Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai are leading the way. So here at the launch of Bharat NCAP, talking to CV Raman, the Chief Technology Officer at Maruti Suzuki. Raman-san, this is of course a landmark day in the Indian auto industry. How is this going to change how things happen from now on?
Well, I think this is the proactive step of the industry as well as the government come together with the test agencies to roll out this new protocol Bharat NCAP. This is for the customer awareness. We have a regulatory regime already where certain level every manufacturer has to meet, and thereafter you can sell vehicles. But however, the program of NCAP is for trying to distinguish the safety level between vehicles, and so therefore it's a worldwide practice which we had been working for many years with the government,
right.
From BNVSAP now to BNCAP. It has been a journey of discussion and trying to understand, and with GNCAP and with the test agencies and the government. Now today we have this.
Okay, with respect to all the norms that will be followed during the testing or how the vehicles will be crash tested, is this something that you're on the same page with the government? And as the country's largest car maker, are you leading the way with providing vehicles for testing?
Definitely, we are on. We have raised our hand, and we said that we will be sending the vehicles. We were the first to raise the hand to give vehicles to BNCAP. We already have conveyed that. And definitely now that the program has been rolled out, the regulation has also come. So it is just a matter of time, from 1st of October. This testing will start. Now they have to pick the vehicles, and that whatever has now today explained, there is a process for doing that.
Right.
And so therefore...
and lastly, any particular vehicles that are going before other ones, and is there a list that you're following right now?
Yeah, we already have, whatever our new models which have now started from, 2022 January onwards, whatever new models are there, we will start giving these vehicles, say Baleno, Grand Vitara, Brezza, and so on. So we will start giving those vehicles.
The government is hopeful of helping Bharat NCAP evolve over time to include active safety technologies such as 360-degree cameras, autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, along with additional impact tests such as full frontal crash test, rear impact protection, and an oblique pole side impact test.